Welcome to day 6 of Strong in 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 5, please go back and watch them because there's so many things that you guys are going to miss, okay? Please go back and watch them. It's a full playlist. You guys are not missing anything. You can always come back to this one. Please go back and watch days 1 through 5 so that you guys can do all of the steps in those days so that you guys can be prepared for day 6. Because day 6, you guys, we are actually setting our goals. I hope that you guys already have your 3-book bundle by now so you guys can have all the things that I'm going over. So you'll have this workbook right here. Plus, you'll have these 2 additional books here. So you'll have the Raise Your Credit Score 100 points in 30 days. Plus, you'll have that Sewing to Win, okay? So please make sure you guys have your 3-book bundle. I'll make sure I pin it down below. Make sure you guys get them too before they sell out. And leave me a comment if for some reason it's sold out. So when it come back in stock, I can go ahead and reply to you and you can get your copy, okay? Before it sells out again. But we are on day 6 of this book. Now, day 6, we're setting goals. So for the next 60 days, you have to figure out what you're trying to do. Are you trying to lower your utilization under that 30% because you got 70% utilization right now? Are you trying to delete some inquiries from your credit reports? Are you trying to delete a collection? Are you trying to delete your charge-offs? Are you waiting for your bankruptcy to be fully discharged and you just trying to make sure everything is together? Whatever stage you are at in this process, please make sure you write down whatever goal that you're trying to accomplish, okay? So in the beginning of our book, we have something called our SMART goals. So in this book, you want to actually make sure that you come up with your SMART goals, which is basically specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and then time is some type of time bound to it, okay? So don't just say, oh, okay, I'm gonna this year. No. We're doing next 60 days, okay? So everybody have their own thing that they're working on. So you have some homework in here. So I'm gonna actually go over the homework that you actually have in your workbook. Make sure that when you're watching these episodes, actually read what we should be going over, watch the video, read again what we went over. That way you know exactly what's going on and you're not confused at all, okay? So you have to decide what your next 2 months are going to look like. I gave you a few things that you can think about. Also, set some reminders in terms of, you say you want to get your utilization down. Are you paying 10% per month, whatever your credit card balance is? Are you paying a 5%? Are you set some reminders saying, okay, I know I'm at 70% in 30 days. I need to be down to 60%, or I need to be down to 50%. And then the next one is, okay, another 30 days. I'm going to set a reminder saying, okay, at this point, I should be down to that 30%. You know, set some reminders so you can have these checkpoints so you can check yourself. It's kind of like a alert in a way. Like, you said you was going to do this. Do you have it down? Do you have this done? Kind of like when I'm in school, I know I'm doing it right because I'm actually having my classes done. I actually make sure that, you know, all my homework is done. I have deadlines, you know, so you want to set these deadlines and these checkpoints for yourself, okay? And then write down your goal. Even if you just write down one goal, you know what, I want to delete these 4 collections, or I want to deal with these 4 collections, or whatever I'm doing. If you guys are in the bankruptcy stage, I just want to make sure that I got all my documents in. I'm going to get my bankruptcy fully discharged. If that's what you guys are doing, just write that down. That's all you have to focus on. And I want to make sure that I keep track of my credit reports also. You know, these are the different things that you want to just keep track of. You want to keep track of your spending with your utilization. Put it down, whatever it is. There's no wrong answer. It's going to be just for you. Whatever your thing is, just make sure it's yours, okay? And you actually do it. So again, that was day 6 of our workbook. I'll make sure I put the 3-book bundle down below. Make sure you guys get your copy. If you have not signed up for the 6 months of dispute letters, you guys, I think we got, let me see, we got 2 more days till we actually get into our disputes. Yes, we're going to start disputing experience. If y'all do the 6 months worth of dispute letters, y'all will already be ahead. Okay, y'all will already be like, I already got my disputes out. So the next few days, I can really just chill, relax, make sure I have these other things done. Okay, so go ahead, if you haven't already, do the 6 months worth the free dispute letters. And again, get your 3-book bundle. I will see you all for day 7. Don't forget to write down your goal. It can be simple, y'all. Just write something down. Just don't go on to day 7 and you don't have anything written down. That's all I can ask for, you guys. But go ahead and get it done now.